Hello, Shark Tank. My name is Eric Christensen. I'm a mechanical engineer, an entrepreneur, and the founder of Autonomous Technologies. My business is developing innovative, new technology for improving fuel economy and reducing emissions in new cars and trucks. I am seeking a $400,000 cash investment for a 40% equity stake in my company. The need for improving fuel economy is real, immediate, and dire. It is being realized by consumers demanding a reduced cost of operation, by society demanding a reduction in harmful pollutants having a negative impact on our environment, and a reduced reliance on foreign oil having implications on our national security. The burden of improving fuel economy falls squarely on the shoulders of the auto manufacturers. The Obama administration has mandated that by the year 2016, corporate average fleet economies must reach 34.5 miles per gallon. Looking ahead to the year 2025, this figure swells to 54.5 miles per gallon. Considering the current average fleet economies of the auto manufacturers are in the range of 25 to 30, this represents an astronomical challenge. We at Autonomous Technologies have fully understood the challenges the automotive industry faces in the next 15 years. Auto manufacturers not compliant with these mandates will lose their competitive edge in the market and face severe tax penalties. The automotive industry is highly competitive and cost-driven. For changes to be realized, they must make economic sense. We have realized the necessity of drawing every last ounce of efficiency out of the internal combustion engine. We have identified the need for drastic improvements in fuel economy on the manufacturer's most popular model offerings, those with gasoline and diesel engines we all know and drive. Our solution is the auto valve. We propose to completely eliminate the conventional camshaft-operated valve train found in your car's engine today in favor of an array of our patent-pending auto valve actuators. These actuators allow vast control over valve actuation processes which do so much to determine the efficiency and performance of the gasoline engine. These devices are adaptable to all current gasoline and diesel engine platforms produced by manufacturers. This allows them to retain their large investments in these platforms and serves to minimize their initial cost of implementation. These devices are modular and adaptable in nature and may be scaled to all sorts of different models. They are comprised of entirely readily available off-the-shelf parts. Research suggests improvements in fuel economy and a reduction in harmful emissions of up to 40%. This technology has the capacity to allow auto manufacturers to meet those mandates, to slash our yearly fuel consumption by up to 3.5 billion gallons, and to save U.S. drivers $11 billion per year. This is the change we need. We will approach the market with a two-headed marketing strategy for business-to-business sale. We will offer the technology for license to the auto manufacturers. They would then contract their existing component manufacturers to produce the devices for implementation in new cars. Alternatively, we will market the technology to the component manufacturers who would then sell it on to the car companies. This allows us to leverage existing business structures and supply chains. Autonomous Technologies has shown remarkable pace thus far. In just 3 months, we have finished development of a proof of concept. We have been awarded a provisional patent application, and we are developing utility patent applications. Without embellishment, every person we have showed our technology and our business prospect to has walked away impressed and sure that we will continue on into success. We have just won a prize at the University of Massachusetts for innovative technology solutions, where we have beat out some of the best and brightest young entrepreneurs. The cash prize from this competition marks our first revenue. We are seeking to maintain this fast pace by receiving $400,000 in seed funding. This money will go towards the continued development of our intellectual property portfolio and the continued development of the auto valve technology. With this money, we will hire the best and brightest patent counsel and provide Autonomous Technologies engineers with the salary and project budget necessary to bring the auto valve from a bench test into a driving car. Within 24 months, the combination of our intellectual property and our prototypes will create and demonstrate our value to the auto manufacturers. We will then enter the market and license this technology to the car companies. The size of this market is just astronomical. In the year 2011, in the United States alone, the automotive industry spent $11 billion in research and development. Globally, it spent $108 billion. If autonomous technologies can achieve even 0.1% of market penetration, we will see yearly revenues in the range of $18 to $108 million. These sharks can expect a return on their investment of 20x or better. We at Autonomous Technologies realize the scale and the clout of the market we are attempting to do business in. We will not let the threat of barriers to entry or market bullies intimidate us. We are young and energetic. We have the flexibility and the fortitude to enter this market, to disrupt it, and to provide real value. We are not approaching the sharks as if they are our only chance for success. We are welcoming the sharks to become a part of our success. There are 10 or more angel investors for every shark. Who will bite first?